Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this blue tulle tutu costume. First, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this costume out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, it comes in a plastic bag just like this. So let's go ahead and take it out of the plastic and see what is included. All right, so we have a few items that come in the bag. So first, here are the socks. So you get a pair of socks to go with this look, some long tube socks. So take a look at that. This is a one size fits most, but as you can see, the socks are right here. And they are nice and stretchy. You also get a pair of heart glasses. These are in the color blue. Check them out. Next, you get this little headband. It has these springs right here, little blue hair. We're putting the look together here. And then last but not least, you get the blue tutu. This is a 3-layer blue tutu. Let's check it out. Comes in the bag like that. As you can see, it's nice and stretchy. It has an elastic waistband and it actually stretches quite big. So again, this is in a one size fits most, but as you can see, it looks small, but it does stretch out if needed. And again, this is a 3-layer tutu, so it's not going to be see-through. There's also this fabric on the bottom, so it's not going to go ahead and show underneath. So this is actually here to cover the bottom area, and then the 3 layers of tulle up top. All right, so let's go ahead and try the tutu out along with the socks and we'll see what it looks like. So here I have the costume on. As you can see, the tutu along with the tube socks. I just put a plain white shirt, but you could put whatever color t-shirt you'd like. Super cute. If you're looking for a costume or you're going to a costume party or just wanting to dress up, then definitely check this out. I'm going to leave the link down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.